everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today we are going to show you how to use the automatic soap dispenser. You can purchase this on Amazon or anywhere you like that has it available. But basically this is a battery operated automatic soap dispenser that dispenses foaming hand soap. So we're going to show you how to mix up the foaming hand soap and use the automatic dispenser so that you can simply place your hand under it and it automatically gives you foaming hand soap. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you need to do, check out the unboxing video. You can see that on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. It'll be in a card up there. Also, plug it in, charge it up so it's fully charged, and then this is the power button, obviously, if you know that. Okay, you hold that down and it turns it on. When you are mixing up your soap, you need to make sure that you hold this down and make sure it's off. So if for some reason you've turned it on, double check, okay, it's not doing anything because I turned it back off. But if you try to do something with it on, it's going to keep squirting out everything you're trying to do. So make sure it's off whenever you are going to use the machine. Now this is to mount it on the wall with this guy right here. No problem, mount it like that. And then this is the charging port. So in order to mix up the hand soap, we're going to take this apart. All right, in the bottom, we're going to put water in there. Careful. I mean, you could spill it if you want. But there we go. Throw some regular water in there. And then I have Dawn dish soap. So that's what I'm going to use. You could use anything you want. Ajax, Ivory, Palm Olive, whatever. Now, the more soap you put in, the thicker your foam is going to be. And the more, I guess, sanitizing it'll be, but it's up to you on how much soap you put in. For this glass of water, if you're a measuring person, this is like an 8-ounce cup of water, so 8 ounces. I would maybe do a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half of the dish soap. Again, you can test it out and see, depending on your desired thickness, but once you do that, put it in here, seal that up, and then what I like to do is give it a shake so that I'm certain that all that soap is mixed in, because right now it's mainly settling on the bottom. So I like to shake it. Yes, it's going to be a little sudsy, but it'll settle, so don't worry. Shake that up. Now if you, for some reason, don't have an automatic soap dispenser, or you don't want to get an automatic one, you want just a regular pump, you can make your own foaming hand soap with a regular foaming pump bottle. We have videos on that on How To Video Channel, so you can check that out in a card up here to make your own foaming hand soap. We also have a video on making foaming hand sanitizer, so you can check that out. Keep that in your entryway or put one in your car, whatever you'd like to do. So check out those videos on How To Video Channel. That'll help you out a lot. So once you have that mixed up, the next thing you do is hold down this power button. I'm going to put the cup under here just to make sure we don't accidentally squirt it out. But hold that down. You can see how it lit up. That was our battery level, and now we can tell whether or not this works. This is the amount that comes out, so it was on 1. So you can see right there, that's the amount of soap that came out, about 5 little dots. So let's change this. Now it's at 2, let's hit it again. Now it's at 3, hit it again. Now it's at 4. So now watch how much comes out. Whoops, hold on. All right, 4. Ooh, that's a lot. So that's a lot more soap than in the beginning. Now, obviously, I guess I can't really think of a situation where you would need that much hand soap. Maybe if like you put this in your kitchen sink and you're going to use that for washing dishes. So personally, I do about number 2, and that's plenty. You don't need more than that. Look how nice and thick that is. It's a good amount. So that's, again, about a tablespoon of Dawn dish soap in there to make that. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And that includes about the making of your soap or the product. And if you have any tips or tricks, feel free to share them below as well. Sometimes I'll throw a little essential oil in there, like if you want a peppermint soap or if you want it to smell like lavender, put about 5 or 10 drops in that amount, shake it up, and then you'll have a little bit of scent. Just be careful, like this is a scented dish soap. So if you want to add your own scent, try to find unscented dish soap so things aren't competing. Otherwise you might end up with some funky smells. So again, any questions or comments, please post them below. Also, feel free to check out that unboxing video, and also check out the review video. That'll be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. I'll throw it in a card up there. And if you would do me a favor, hit that like button if you liked this video, if you thought it was good. Also, hit the bell icon and the subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos from How To Video Channel. If you want to become a channel member and support us, that would be great. Or if you want to do a one-time tip, that would be awesome as well. Thank you.